let's look at how you're managing your current files. Let's see how much of the work that you do is actually required to be done by an attorney and how much of it can be done by a paralegal, a case manager, a legal assistant, or you outsource it and give it to a virtual assistant. That's what I'm talking about with the business model. Usually the systems that you have in place are not efficient. You don't have fail safes to make sure that the value of your cases never fall beneath a certain threshold. And you don't have systems or processes in place to make sure that when you are outside of your organization and when you detach and you want to leave for 4, 6, 8 weeks on vacation, the business still runs and functions perfectly. So the reason I wanted to talk about this is because most lawyers and most professionals think they need more business, they need more clients, they need more leads, they need more people to answer the phone calls. That's a problem that doesn't exist. The problem that does exist, that's right in front of you right now, is that the clients you're currently servicing are not getting the full value, nor are you. So that's what I wanted to talk about, is determining the value of the cases and how to increase case values. Sometimes in the personal injury world, that includes sending clients out to MRIs as early as possible to diagnose all the potential injuries. Sometimes that means making sure you're getting procedural estimates for any procedures that they may need in the future. Sometimes that means having independent consultants review the MRIs. Sometimes that means having a medical narrative or getting a plastic surgeon to see if someone got a cut or a laceration on their face for a plastic surgery estimate. There's so many ways to increase case values and nobody talks about it. Everyone focuses on how do we just go into litigation and try to, have this $20 million verdict. Newsflash, if it's a $20 million case, anyone can get a $20 million verdict. But for the 99% of clients that you have, how are you servicing them properly? How are you increasing the case values and making sure that your clients are being delivered the perfect service every single time? So I encourage people, when they're looking at this video or trying to audit their businesses, look at what's right in front of you now instead of what may happen down the street or down the road. Just look at your current business model and see if there's any inefficiencies that you can focus on and fix before you try to solve the world problems.